Kurumirira ngarama nene ya muturire iria igumiire bururi, kambuni ya uthondeki wa maguta ma kuruga ya Bidco NITETETE ni marihi ma iguru maria makoretwo makiriha hari uthondeki wa maguta maya na gucungiriria biacara no guthie thi.
10 liters and 20 liters.
Akiaria ari mwena wa theka murugamiriri wa kambuni-INI DIAZ ni ugite uthondeki wa maguta maya ni uthiete thi na gicunje kia 50% ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe muhituku, undu uria ucungiriirio ni marihi ma iguru ma magoti, thitima hamwe na wagi wa dola guku bururi-ini.
We are currently on average using our facilities around 60%. So 40% capacity. We are also working with the government in partnership how we can increase our products, because that will increase employment, it will increase revenue. That will also increase a lot of products. We produce products in very small SKUs, which is affordable.
DIAZ ni ugite wagi wa indo iria ithondekaga maguta maya no ucangiire gutharara kwa biacara ino, kuona makoretwo makirehe indo itiganite kuma na nja wa bururi, undu uria maugite ni magumirwo ni wagi wa mbeca cia dola.
Manufacturers mingi sisi tunapata shida kwa sababu ya cost ya power. Kitu ya pili, tumeomba pia kuna shortage ya dollars kununua raw material, na hiyo ni pande ya tunafanya uhusiano na serikali tusaidie uchumi pia endelee.
Onyoriti arimi aria marimaga sunflower, cornflower na soybeans guku bururi-ini metikire kumenderia niguo kuhuthirwo ni murigo munene wa kugura indo cia uthondeki wa maguta maya nja wa bururi.
Tunaomba sana serikali pia ikae na nchi zingine ambayo tunaweza chukua bidhaa bila kuleta non-tariff na tariff barriers. Sana tunapata products yetu inapata shida kuingia nchi zingine kwa sababu wanaleta barriers.
Kambuni-INI iri na aruti a wira 40,000 riu makiuria thirikari kwambika mibango ya guteithiriria kambuni ta ici gwitiria ngarama nene.
We are already making steps. This is the first step, yeah? And I'm sure as time moves on and as we continue working with them, we are going to iron out some of these issues. And I'm sure you will not see another company crashing.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.